And that's it. You can see, that's it. Your form is ready. Like the cake order form that I want to create now, I already have my questions on ground. Let me show you. So these are the questions, and you can see we have a lot of them. So this is, I'll be creating a more complex form this time around, and this will help you. If you can create a form like this, you can create any kind of form. So let's quickly do that. We want to create a cake order form. Let's go. So I already have my form opened. I start by my theme. Let me go for a theme that has to do with cake this time around. Make use of this. Apply. Now we put the title of my form, UB Cakes. Same thing for this. Description. Let me copy my description. Fill in your personal information below. And the first question I want to ask is customer name. Ask about the customer name. That's a short answer. Good. Then the next thing is their phone number. I want their phone number. So my customer name required. Please, for information that are very important like that, make sure you put required. Location. To make use of checkboxes, my option 1 is Kede Road Road. Option 2 is Wedra Road, Weri. Okay, I've come to the end of my first section. I'm going to section 2 now, where I answer questions on the description. To go to another section, click this. Put description as the title. I want to describe it now. Copy this one there. Cake description option below didn't fit your. Good, I like that. Okay, what I need is title and subsection. Size description. Select cake size description. Select sizes. I copy it here, and I go to question now. First question now is about cake size single round. Copy it. Cake size single round. Make it drop down. Number 1 is 12. Copy that. Paste that. Option 1. I add another option. Okay, not required. They might decide to go for double option instead of the single round. To duplicate this, I need here is cake size double round. The first option for this is 5 inches 7,000. So let's go to the next section by doing that. Cake flavor 1. B T drop down yellow, white, icing now. Icing flavor. Copy that. Next one is border color. See, this is a more complex multiple choice. Yes or no. Then the design. We make use of drop down. Flowers. I click my title and subtitle section. Now we write a notice. Please note. That's all. You can preview it. UB cake order forms. Next, as you fill those things. Update. Location 120 Wedra Road. Next, description. my size, my if double round, flavor, icing, vanilla, no, balloons, my type. If I want to type anything there, send me a copy of my responses, submit. That's all. If you don't want such response, you can go back to your edit, to your settings, and that's your response confirmation message. Your order received successfully. Mail soon. Thanks. Management. And that's all. You already have one response. See who has responded? That's me. Can you see? See that graphical representation of the result? Just love it. So I can click the send button, click the link, shorten the URL, copy to clipboard. Did already. You click create and you put there UB cake order. Right. So if I copy the link, big cake order, and that's it. You can see that's it. Your form is ready. So with that and with the link you already have, you can go to your Instagram account, share it. You can go to your WhatsApp, share it, share the link, and you can also go to your Facebook page and share the link. So that's the lesson for today. We have been able to see how you can create Google Form. God bless you and thank you for following.